This video is about orbital notation. So the problem says complete the orbital notation for sodium. And we're going to represent all of sodium's electrons right here by putting an arrow for each electron. Well, we need to know how many electrons sodium has. You can look on the periodic table. You'll find that sodium has 11 electrons. So we're going to put 11 total arrows in these boxes. Our first electrons are always going to go into 1s. S can hold up to 2 electrons. Those electrons spin in opposite directions. So when I have one up arrow, I'll also have one down arrow. In one of these boxes, you should always have up and down, never up, up, or down, down, because those electrons have to spin in opposite directions. After 1s fills up, then you put electrons into 2s. One up, one down. I want 11 total electrons. I have 4, so I need to keep going. Next, I get to 2p. 2p can hold up to 6 total electrons, but the order that I fill them in is going to matter, especially for some elements. P orbitals have 3 places you can put electrons, and they look kind of like this. Here's one of those places, another one, and here's another one. So you have kind of 3 stretched out balloon looking things. When you put in 6 electrons to 2p, the first electron will go into this up and down stretchy thingy. Next one will go here, side to side. Next one will go here, sticky out. Next one also goes into this vertical. Next one also horizontal. Next one in the stick out one. So when you fill in 2p, you go up, up, up. Those electrons spread out. Then they go back and go down, down, down. So let's say that I had an element that only had 8 electrons. It would look like this. Our element today has 11 electrons, so we will have down, down arrows. We'll have 2p all the way filled up. Right now I have 10 arrows, but I need to represent one more electron. So I'm going to put that last electron into 3s, facing up, or pointing up. On these problems, sometimes you might have boxes that are blank. That's okay. You might not get all the way up to the top box on the problem. You can just say that it's blank. Just make sure you have enough arrows for all your electrons, and that each box has up and down, and that for a p or d orbital, you go up, up, up first before going back in and filling in the down arrows.